today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access and activate the newest feature of the Microsoft Office 365 in Excel. But before we would jump into the exciting stuff, it's crucial to understand the life cycle of a software development. Every software undergoes multiple stages of testing and refinement before it's considered stable for the public release. And we will focus on only understanding the three main stages. Firstly, we have the alpha phase, which is the initial stage of the development. So that's basically the Microsoft development stage. The second phase is called beta. This is the bridge to a stable release. Beta versions are typically released to a select audience, including developers, testers, and sometimes a broader group of users whom are willing to participate in testing. Finally, the third one, we reach the GA phase, which is not more than the general availability phase or simply just the release. Let's get started. So I'm going to use the Microsoft Excel to demonstrate the new features. As you see, if I go to the Insert tab, I should have the new feature called the checkboxes under the Insert tab, but it's not available. And as I said before, every software development company goes through on a beta phase when they are testing their product, but it's not released for the public. And Microsoft made this phase available for us by joining to their program. And this program is called the Microsoft 365 Insider Program. If you become a member of this group, then you can have an early access for the newest feature of the Microsoft 365 applications. So you just need to simply go to the insider.microsoft365.com website, and you can find all the information and details about the program. But now let me show you how you can activate the newest features. So I'm going to use the checkboxes as an example. It's not available yet. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to select File on the ribbon, and down below I select Account. And the first thing you need to do is to check if you are eligible for the program, because you have to understand that you need to have a proper Microsoft 365 license in order to join to this community. If you find this icon, this option under the account page, that means you are eligible for the program. From there, you simply just select the icon and you choose change channel. Once you clicked on the icon, it will open up a new pane, a new window. You need to accept all the terms, and I recommend to check for the updates and apply them immediately. And as I mentioned, there are three main phases. From this drop down, I can see that I'm at the current channel, which is the general release for the public. But if I select beta, that's the developer phase and includes the newest features. I simply agree with the terms. If you want to know more details, then you can click on the links and just simply hit OK. And the Microsoft package will automatically update my 365 account, and it will install the newest features and updates to my Microsoft product. It might take a few minutes, it depends on your internet connection.
A few moments later.
Once it's done, I simply just hit continue, and it's going to apply the changes to my Microsoft package. And here we go, my updates were installed on my computer. I simply just hit close, I open up a blank new sheet, I go to the Insert tab, and here we go, I got the new feature which is called the checkboxes. I'm going to select the range and hit checkboxes, and I can start using the new feature. Or I go to the formulas tab on the ribbon and I can start using the Python code in the Excel. Or under the view tab, I can use the new navigation pane we can also find in Power BI. If you want to know more about the new features of the Excel, please check out my latest video about the 2024 updates.